Hello lovelies, this is your girl Alexandra Monet, and in this video we're going to go over these beautiful, elegant 6 curly summertime fun hairstyles on natural hair. They're perfect to do on an old twist out, long, short, or medium length hair. So let's just hop into these awesome styles. So let's hop into this quick curly hairstyle. So right now I'm just sectioning off my bangs, and I'm sectioning the back portion off into 2 large pieces. So with this large piece, I am just twisting my hair around itself. I'm not doing 2-strand twists or anything like that. I am literally just roping it, and it should look like this. It doesn't have to be perfect. It doesn't have to be too tight, because you're gonna see why we don't want it too tight. So just go ahead and give your best and kind of twist the sides of your hair, starting from the top of your forehead and going all the way down to the back of your neck, just like this. So that's what it will look like. Next, you're gonna take both sides, both of your, little rope twists, and we're going to bring them together. Grab a hair tie, and we're going to secure them in a ponytail. Now, your ponytail does not have to be too tight. For thick, curly, natural hair, I recommend probably looping that around twice. Now, this is the key trick here. So I'm gonna feel for both of those sections that I made, and I'm gonna pull them apart just a little bit so you have some slack, just like that. I should be able to stick my fingers through and open a hole. And with that hole, I'm gonna go ahead and take my ponytail and push it through. Now, take your time here, because this is definitely the trick to this hairstyle, but it also it gets a little messy. So just take your time when you push your hair through, and once you get the majority of your hair through, then you go ahead and slowly pull at your ponytail. Don't be too rough with your hair, because you're honestly asking your hair to literally do like gymnastics here. So just pull out as much as you can, and once you get the ponytail the way you like it, then you're all good to go. So this is how the style turned out on my hair, and I absolutely love it. Perfect for the summer, perfect for elegant events, and just a perfect all-around natural curly girl hairstyle. The next style we're gonna hop into is more of like a half up, half down look, but it actually really reminds me of an elongated ponytail. So just so you know, for all of these styles, I'm pulling out my bangs. You don't have to if you don't want to, but that's just kind of the look that I'm going for with all of these curly hairstyles. So basically, I am putting my hair in a high ponytail. Put it as high as you can, and then we're going to just kind of pull at the bottom by our nape area, just a few curls. So not a whole lot of hair is going to be pulled out at the bottom, you know, like a half up, half down, but just a few. And what this is going to do is it is going to give us the look of an elongated ponytail. Our ponytail is going to look extra long and, you know, just extra full. And it's gonna look like this. As you can see, my ponytail has some length to it. And just by pulling out just a lower level or lower layer of curls, I was able to achieve this look. So that is the second curly hairstyle, and it is so cute for the summer. Now on to the next style. So this style is very traditional, very easy, but the look is elegant and gorgeous every time I do it. So we are going to start by pulling all our hair up, almost like we're doing a pineapple, and we're going to grab that ponytail, and we are going to try and secure probably like half of the ponytail in this bun-like structure. So instead of pulling all your hair through, we are going to just kind of stop at the ends of your hair, and the ends of your hair, which are curls, are going to kind of push towards the front. So if you do not have bangs, this will be a great time to kind of fake some, put a bobby pin in, and secure the curls that are falling in your face in the correct spots that you want them to. And any hair that is loose in the back, we're just going to kind of tuck it right back into that ponytail. So it's kind of like we have a top messy bun. And of course, we have our curls in the front that are kind of like little fake bangs. And this is the look that I just absolutely love, because it gives me the look of a pineapple, but in a bun-like style. So this is the third style that is perfect and elegant anywhere you go. All right, moving on to our fourth curly girl hairstyle. Of course, like I said, we gotta pull out the bangs. If you do not have bangs, do not worry about it. You know, like I said, I make fake bangs. I really don't have bangs at all, but I just kind of curl and do a twist out on the front of my hair and I get this effect. So I'm grabbing this front half, so probably about to my edges to my ear, and I am going to go ahead and make a large twist. Now this twist here does not have to be perfect. It doesn't have to be tight. It's not a flat twist. It's just a regular twist, and we're gonna twist all the way down just like so, and then we're gonna go ahead and do it to the other side. So once we have finished with both twists, we're gonna take one on one side and wrap it all the way around to the ear of the other side, and then do the same to the other twist. So both twists are going to be wrapped around to the opposite ears. And of course, we're going to take a bobby pin and we are going to secure them on both sides. So it gives us this beautiful hairstyle here, number 4. And I absolutely loved this hairstyle when I thought to do it. And it just gives such an elegant look as well. Like, I believe that all of these hairstyles can be worn at all occasions. Now, if you cannot wrap those twists all the way to the other ear, if you just at least could get them to the top of your head and secure both of them, the ends of both of them at the top middle portion of your head with the bobby pin, you should be good to go. Now on to the 5th curly girl hairstyle. Of course, we are starting off by sectioning off our bangs. And what I'm doing here is I'm creating a middle part in the back, and that's gonna give me 2 halves of my hair. So working with the first half, I'm going to grab a ponytail holder and I'm going to secure it in place. Now, it doesn't have to be very tight. And in fact, I mean, if you want it tight, you can do it tight, but I'm having a lot of slack in this ponytail here, as you can see. And if you looked, I did not pull the hair through. So it gives me this messy bun, and it allows curls to kind of hang on the sides and through the bottom of the little bun that I'm putting on one half of my hair. And that is the look that I'm going for. I'm going for a messy, curly, effortless hairstyle. If you want something that is more crisp and secure, of course you would grab a brush and pull that ponytail through and really make sure that your bun is tight. But this is the look that I'm going for. As you can see, I have some curls kind of flying from different aspects of my hair, and I just love this look. I love the little space buns here. I love the curls in the front, and I think it's so cute for a festival or if you're just going out and having fun with friends. And all right, lovelies, we are on to our last but not least curly girl hairstyle, number 6. So of course, how we've been doing from 1 through 5 is sectioning off those bangs, and we are taking the top 4th of our hair, and we are doing something very similar as we did to curly hairstyle number 5, and we are making that bun, that cute messy bun that has curls flowing out of it. And of course, like I said, what you do is you put the hair through like you're making a ponytail, but you don't pull it all the way through. You kind of let it stop at the ends to give the curls a chance to kind of fall out of the bun. So exactly what we do to one side, we're going to do to the other, and we are taking that top 4th of our hair and we are going to make that bun again. So this is going to give us another look that is similar to the last, but we have our cute little buns, our little space buns, if you call it, at the top, and our hair is going to be coming down. So it's really a half up, half down style, and I absolutely love this style. Perfect for any occasion, just like curly girl hair is perfect for any time. So I would like to thank you for watching this video. That is all. And if you enjoyed these 6 top curly hairstyles, let me know. And I will see you on the next time. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe so you can stay tuned for more curly hairstyles. Bye.